Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into MarchReviews.com, a site that claims to be the Santa Claus of retail by offering $750 Walmart gift cards for a short survey. Because apparently, your opinion on the price of eggs is worth a month's rent. Sounds totally legit, right? Let's peel back the layers on this one together. First off, I checked the domain on WHOS, and it was registered in September 2025. Yes, you heard that right. It's literally from the future. Being brand new doesn't always mean it's a scam, but it certainly doesn't scream established business with a physical address and a soul. It has no track record and zero history of reliability. Next, we hit a bit of a logical paradox. The website explicitly states it is not affiliated with Walmart, yet it uses their name to dangle a massive $750 carrot in front of you. It's like a stranger offering you a ride in a car that says, "Not a kidnapper," on the side. Totally reassuring, isn't it? This is a massive red flag that makes you wonder if those gift cards even exist in this dimension. I also try to find a way to contact them, but their contact page is as functional as a screen door on a submarine. There is no email, no phone number, and no live chat. If something goes wrong, you'll have better luck sending a message in a bottle than getting help from these people. The real kicker happened when I tried to start the survey. The site immediately redirected me to another domain called uplevelrewards.com. This kind of digital bait-and-switch is a classic move for harvesting your personal data and puts your privacy at serious risk. It's unprofessional, unreliable, and frankly, about as safe as a gas station sushi platter. Finally, I looked for any sign of human life in the form of reviews. There is absolutely nothing on the site, no discussions online, and not a single mention on Trustpilot. It's a digital ghost town, which is a bit strange for a company supposedly giving away thousands of dollars in prizes. After looking at the evidence, my take is that MarchReviews.com is more suspicious than a free hug sign in a dark alley. It's brand new, lacks any contact information, redirects you to third-party sites, and has zero feedback from actual humans. All signs point to this being a massive waste of your time. I wouldn't risk sharing my personal info here, and neither should you. If this helped you keep your data safe, hit that like button and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.